Have you ever opened a bag of snacks and finished it without meaning to? You weren't starving. You weren't emotional. You just kept eating. And afterward you think, why didn't I stop? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Some foods are not designed to satisfy you. They're designed to be hard to stop eating. Let's talk about ultra-processed foods. Not processed in the simple sense. Bread is processed. Yogurt is processed. We're talking about foods engineered with refined starches, added sugars, industrial fats, salt combinations, flavor enhancers, texture modifiers. These foods are formulated for something called the bliss point. The bliss point is the precise balance of sugar, salt, and fat that maximizes palatability. Food scientists test this. They measure it. They adjust it. Not to nourish you, but to increase repeat consumption. Now here's what happens biologically. When you eat whole foods, protein, fiber, intact carbohydrates, your body activates satiety signals, stretch receptors in the stomach, leptin signaling, slower glucose release. But ultra-processed foods behave differently. They are energy-dense, low in fiber, rapidly digestible, easy to chew, easy to swallow. This reduces sensory-specific satiety, meaning your brain doesn't register fullness as effectively. Research shows ultra-processed foods are associated with higher calorie intake, faster eating speed, reduced satiety per calorie. In tightly controlled studies, participants given ultra-processed diets consume significantly more calories than those given minimally processed diets, even when protein, fat, carbs, and fiber were matched. Why? Texture and reward signaling. These foods activate dopamine pathways strongly. Not like drugs, but stronger than whole foods. Crunch, salt, sugar, melt-in-your-mouth fat. This combination bypasses normal stopping cues. And here's something important. This is not about willpower. It's about exposure. When highly palatable foods are constantly available, your hunger hormones adjust. Ghrelin patterns shift. Leptin signaling becomes less sensitive over time. Add sleep deprivation. Add stress. Now the reward system becomes even more responsive, and ultra-processed foods become even harder to resist. This doesn't mean all processed food is dangerous. It means formulation matters. Whole foods tend to slow you down. Ultra-processed foods speed you up. Speed reduces awareness. Awareness controls intake. Here's the practical part. You don't need perfection. But you do need structure. Increase protein intake. Protein increases satiety hormones like PYY and GLP-1. Increase fiber from vegetables, legumes, intact grains. Fiber slows digestion and improves fullness. Keep ultra-processed snacks out of immediate reach. Environment shapes behavior more than discipline does. And eat slowly. Satiety signals take time to reach the brain. Food is not just fuel. Modern food is engineered experience. When you understand that, you stop blaming yourself. Overeating is not always weakness. Sometimes it's design. And design can be managed. Not through guilt, but through awareness.